Hi folks, it's Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm cooking festive meaty canapes. Okay, so it's a lovely time of year now, and we're all cooking festive treats, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of extra inspiration about how to cook some festive treats on your barbecue. And this lovely little recipe is a nice one, so you're not going to want to miss this. It's got my 3 favourite ingredients in, and I'm pimping it up as a festive treat. So I've got these from my friends at Hook and Block, and I call these the 3 Kings. They're my 3 favourite ingredients for coming up with recipes like this. I've got some nice smoked streaky bacon, some beautiful pork sausage meat and black pudding. I've also got some nice Stilton here, some cranberry sauce there. That's going to go perfect together. All the flavours of Christmas here. What I'm going to do, get into this lovely smoked streaky bacon, a few bits of that on there. I'm going to cut some of this black pudding, little slices of this. There we go, they're perfect. Open up the sausage meat. I've got my Stilton here, so cut a few chunks off that. So to assemble these, what I'm going to do, take a little bit of sausage meat like that, some of the Stilton in there, a little bit of the cranberry sauce. I'm going to pop the black pudding there, bring that up onto it, and then wrap that in the bacon. Nice and snugly, there we go. That's the first one. A bit of blue cheese, that's going to melt on the inside. A little bit of cranberry sauce. Black pudding. Fold that up like that. What a thing this is going to be to have on Christmas morning. So you can make some of these up in advance, and these are going to be wonderful little starter. There we go. They've got bigger and bigger as I've done them, but they're perfect. And let's get these on the grill. Okay, so I've got the Traeger Ranger set about 200 degrees C. I'm going to pop these on some foil. And I want that bacon to get nice and crispy and everything to cook through. So these look amazing. I'm going to have a little taste and see how I've done. Nice crispy bottom. Oh. That's beautiful. You've got the nice sweetness of cranberry sauce, obviously the sausage meat and the crispy bacon on the outside. The blue cheese flavour works really well with this. That lovely black pudding. This is a definite winner. Give it a go this Christmas, and a Merry Christmas to you all. Cheers.